The owner of Target Roofing misused COVID relief money and will be sentenced in exactly 3 months.
The jury has spoken. Casey Crowther, owner of Target Roofing and Sheet Metal, is guilty as charged. Now his customers have questions.
You know, Casey Crowther is the owner, but what's going to happen to all the little people?
So I called Crowther and he agreed to answer questions. He told me his customers have nothing to worry about. They're in great shape, he said. It's a large company. That trial was for one person, and that was me, and not them. They'll be in good shape and in good hands. Crowther told us Target Roofing will operate as usual, and the company will stay in his name.
Even if he's in jail, he can own a company.
And Crowther told me his workers will be good too.